Guys, happy Tuesday. I don't know about y'all, but I have like the 4th of July hangover. I didn't even drink yesterday. It's the day after 4th of July, but I just feel like it's easy after the holidays. But anyways, I got an Ipsy package, and me being myself, I don't know what I ordered. But it's a big package, so come along for the ride. So it came with like 2 smaller Ipsy packages, as well as more in here. So let me see. Ooh, youthful glow mask and a peachy glow hydrating mask. I don't know about y'all, but masks aren't my thing, but I'm willing to try. They just feel weird. I've had some that are super like just weird feeling. Ooh, and then I got a complex culture dual-ended eyeliner pencil. Ooh, I'm really gonna need to learn how to do my eyeliner, y'all, cause I just need to. I just need to. Ooh, super like, it reminds me of like mermaid scales. It's like super pretty. And there's some stuff in it. I love these little bags, but ooh, okay, so inside is a smooth and subtle lip mask melt. So I take it, it's like a lipstick, or not lipstick, chapstick. Yeah, it's like a chapstick. Good, I need these. Ooh, pure Brazilian daily anti-frizz serum leave-in treatment for stronger, healthier looking hair. This is what I need, y'all. Can't wait to try it. Ultra repair cream, intense hydration. Ooh, first aid beauty. I'll have to try it. And then my last thing in my little bag was, let me see. Ooh, I think oh, it's a Tequila Highlighter. I think I have one of these already, and I think it's so pretty. Yeah. It's like shimmery. I love it. So pretty. Here you go. The next one, I think I'll open this one. Like legit, I don't remember ordering any of this. I may have. Anyone else here with a bad memory? Oh, this bag's kind of cute. I don't know why, but I was like, oh, it's very Joker-esque. Ooh, got some roller lash mascara. The box is pretty. I'm really going to have to learn how to do my makeup. Ooh, Shayna B Miami. It's an eyeshadow duo. Ooh, I like how there's a flamingo in it. You guys see the flamingos kissing? It's cute. We'll have to, I really have to learn to do more makeup, y'all. Peppermint twist, natural. What are y'all trying to say? Natural lip conditioner. Yes, Tarte Quench. I love how this feels on my skin, y'all. For real. I do use makeup stuff, y'all. Keratin recovery treatment. So it must be for hair, right? Yeah, apply to clean hair, paying special attention to ends. I'm excited. So that was all that's in this bag. And one more bag, y'all. this one's very, oh, there's a bag, which is very similar to the other one, except this is like a gold, and there's a box. Ooh, this one came with smells, y'all. Pink Pinrose. Hold on. Okay, so it's a perfume towelette. So there's 6 different towels. This is apply fragrance to pulse points using towelette. Wait 15 seconds. So, ooh, I don't know y'all, but I like smells. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, the back. Are y'all ready? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this one must be so full of smells. Okay, so a simple moment captured in time, sweet. It's a joyful essence of living for the present. So it's a smell. So by Sweet, Alice Brooklyn. Cute little perfume. I love smells, if y'all can't tell. I think I've said that like 10 times. So sorry. Oh my god, it smells so good. Waycart Conscious Conversations. Oh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, this smells so good. So it's Waycart. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm way too excited now. Commodity Milk. Let me see. Y'all, it's a perfume one. I must have ordered this one. Like, oh, this one's, let me see. Oh yeah, oh my god, and this one's a big one. It smells good, not my, it's really sweet. Not what I'm used to, I guess. This one's pretty. This one has a butterfly on it. Why is my brain not working, y'all? I feel like all day it's been like, wait, what? Okay, let me see. Ooh, and another one. Define Me by Sophia Isabel. Okay, last one, y'all. This one's also a big one. Kenzie, So Pretty. Ooh, and this one's a stick. It's really cute. It has like a, I like the design. It looks like it has letters all over the design. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's like one of those Tide sticks, y'all. Be careful. Oh, so good. So good, y'all. But anyways, thank y'all for coming along. Let me know what y'all think and if you use any of these products and what else you would recommend.